we should know what is disaster. The name of the lesson is disaster management. So what is the meaning of the disaster? So disaster means sudden event that causes damage to the life and property, that is called as disaster. तो कोई भी disaster जो होता है, natural आपत्ति जो आती है, that is destroys the life as well as the property, that is known as a disaster. Okay, so here in this picture you can see that due to the earthquake, the house or the building collapses on the road, or you can see different cracks. Then the rails are uprooted यानी जो rails railway lines में दिखते हैं हमको, that are coming out of the soil. You can see that. Then cyclones are the storms. Cyclone और storm एक ही होता है. It is having forceful wind, air pressure बहुत होता है इसमें, that is known as storm or cyclone. Then terrorist attack. I told you terrorist attack is the man-made type of disaster. Atomic power plant failure. So this is also man-made disaster. So हम लोग disaster को कैसे define कर सकते हैं? The sudden event that leads to huge loss of life and property, that is known as disaster. Okay, तो बहुत सारे types of disaster है. So first is earthquake. First picture में आप लोग देख सकते हैं earthquake का picture है. Second में droughts है. Drought means when there is no rainfall due to the sun, extreme heat of sun. The land gets dry, and on the land you can see different cracks also. Then we have flood situation in which the water is overflowing from the rivers. Water which is accumulated in the surrounding causes floods. It may enter in the houses of the people, or it may affect or damage the property. Okay, then we have the forest fire. This is the example of the man-made disaster. अगर घर में अचानक आग लग जाती है, तो that is the man-made disaster, because man has been the reason for that type of disaster, so it is called as a man-made disaster. हमारी ही गलती रहती है कोई तो भी, जिसके वजह से वो disaster होता है, that is known as man-made disaster. Then next picture है storm का, जिसमें heavy air pressure, high air pressure होता है, that can carry the nutritious, that can causes soil erosion, यानी soil में से जो भी nutrients है, that can be carried out with the help of storms. Much of the anything, if it is of lot of force, it can carry anything that comes in its way. Then there is a volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is a natural disaster in which, when there is excess heat accumulated in the earth's crust, that comes out in the formation of the volcanic eruption. So students, let us study about the types of disaster. As I told you in the starting only, the disasters are classified into two types, that is man-made disaster and natural disaster. So first of all, I would like to unmute Antra. I have unmuted you, Antra Lande.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Can you tell me, here the exercise is solved, activity is solved for you. Some names of the disaster is given. You have to classify them in man-made or a disaster. So fire is a man-made disaster. Earthquake is a natural disaster.
Yes.
Next is leakage of chemical gases. तो उसको कौन से इसमें classify करेंगे आप?
Teacher, man-made.
Man-made disaster. Storms को?
Storms, natural.
Floods?
Floods, man-made.
Okay. You can mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Let us unmute one more child. Arnav Munde, I have unmuted you. Arnav Munde.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. टेल मी सुनामी कौन सा टाइप ऑफ डिजास्टर है?
Natural disaster.
सुनामी नेचुरल डिजास्टर. बॉम्ब एक्सप्लोजन,
Man-made disaster.
कोलैप्सिंग ऑफ अ बिल्डिंग,
Man-made disaster.
war,
Man-made disaster.
forest fire.
Man-made disaster.
No, forest fire is a natural disaster. यहाँ पे जो
Okay.
फॉरेस्ट समर सीजन में सूख जाते हैं ड्यू टू द एक्सेसिव हीट, the plants automatically they get fire and they start burning, and surrounding the plants which are dried, they also get burned. So forest fire is a natural type of disaster. So I
Okay.
hope students you can mute yourself. Thank you for giving me the answer.
Thank you, teacher.
Students, here you can understand how the different types of disasters can be classified into man-made and natural disasters. So let us move towards the next type, that is natural disasters. In natural disasters, we are going to study the events that result from the natural process of the earth. तो ये जो events होते हैं that are taking place with the help of a natural process on the earth, उसमें किसी का भी हाथ नहीं होता, ये naturally होता है. That takes place on the earth. ये disaster कहाँ पे place करते हैं? That takes place on the earth. That is why whatever natural processes or events that takes place on the earth, that are called as natural disasters. And what are the examples? Examples are earthquake, volcanic eruption, cyclones, droughts, floods. So let us see about the first natural disaster, that is earthquake. Now what is earthquake? Earthquake में actually क्या होता है? So in this earthquake there are some seismic waves. जो सिस्मिक वेव्स होते हैं ना, तो वो वेव्स क्या करते हैं अर्थ के क्रस्ट में? दे कॉजेज अ वाइब्रेशन अंडर द अर्थ क्रस्ट. अर्थ क्रस्ट के अंदर जोर से वाइब्रेशन होता है. दैट वाइब्रेशन मे बी सीवियर और इट मे बी लेस. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ मच द earthquake effect is there. If it is less effect, it will not harm much. But if the seismic waves that are causing more vibration in the earth's crust, that may damage the property, that type of vibration or quaking of the earth crust is known as earthquake. क्या होता है इसमें कि जो अर्थ के क्रस्ट में है ना, बहुत सारा वाइब्रेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है, and that vibration is so severe that whatever things comes in its place, whatever things comes in its contact, it damage that thing. तो आपको इस पिक्चर में से क्या दिख रहा है? The building which is in standing position has collapsed due to the earthquake. क्या होता है? earthquake की वजह से ये जो बिल्डिंग है that falls down. Why? Because there is severe vibration in the earth's crust. कभी कभी क्या होता है, जो earthquake होता है ना, वो उसका जो ये होता है वाइब्रेशन मोड जो होता है, दैट इज लेस, सो इट डज नॉट हार्म मच. कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि अरे वाइब्रेशन हुआ है, अर्थक्वेक जैसा लगा मुझे, लेकिन अर्थक्वेक दिख नहीं रहा है. ऐसे मींस यू गेट अ माइनर फीलिंग दैट yes, the earthquake was there for few seconds. Okay, you can feel the vibration in the earth's crust. Okay, and if this vibration is more, it can damage the things that comes in the contact. यहाँ पे आप रोड की हालत देख सकते हैं. You can see on the road there are big cracks. You can see that can damage the property of the. Okay. Now when the building collapses at that time, if the peoples are there living in the building, they may lose their lives also. So these type of disasters causes huge damage to the life and property is known as disaster. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाई दे रहा है, इफेक्ट्स ऑफ अर्थक्वेक इन खिल्लारी. So Khillari is one of the village in Latur district. Here in this place always there is earthquake is emerging after different periods. So you can, Latur district is one of the district in which you can see that many earthquakes are occurring at after some simultaneous periodic time. Okay. Then you can see the other picture. In this picture, you can see the village Malin. This picture is of Malin village in Ambegaon Taluka, that is in Pune district. Here the whole village was got buried under the mud. ओके लैंडस्लाइड होता है. लैंडस्लाइड में क्या होता है, जब हैवी बारिश हो जाती है, देन द माउंटेन जो होते हैं, माउंटेन के हिल के नीचे जो गांव वाले रहते हैं, that are more affected by the landslide, because when the rains are heavy that time, it makes the mountain weak. heavy बारिश से क्या होता है, mountain weak हो जाता है, and it slowly the mountain gets affected, and at a certain time the mountain start collapsing from the hill towards the down area, that is known as a landslide. और मालिन एक ऐसा गांव था जहां पे whole village was destroyed by this landslide. So many people got buried under the soil and had lost their lives. ओके बहुत सारे लोग तो मिल भी नहीं पाए थे, ऐसा हुआ था उसमें. और ये मालिन डिजास्टर लैंडस्लाइड डिजास्टर जो है, that was in the year of 2014 in July month. ओके अभी भी हम लोगों को इन मुंबई 2005 जुलाई महीने में बहुत सारी बारिश हुई थी, तो दैट टाइम आल्सो मेनी पीपल लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स ड्यू टू द हेवी रेनफॉल्स. ओके तो जब भी हेवी रेनफॉल होता है, दैट टाइम ड्यू टू द फ्लड सिचुएशन, most of the things are affected okay, due to the disaster. So flood is also one type of disaster. तो बहुत सारे मम्मी डैडी जो है ऑफिस को जाते हैं, वो 2 से 3 दिन वहां पे रुकना पड़ा उनको, बिकॉज no service of light, electricity was not there, then no phone chargers was not there, किसी को फोन भी नहीं कर सकते थे बारिश की वजह से, and due to the flood the transport system was not there. तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स आती है जब डिजास्टर होता है. ओके सो लेट अस are washed away or carried by water, they are destroyed. The soil erosion. Even the farmers, the standing, there is destruction for the standing crops. Then you के बाद वहाँ पे बहुत सारे डिजीज एपिडेमिक डिजीजेस स्प्रेड होते हैं, that causes the effect to the human health. ओके बहुत सारे डिफरेंट डिजीजेस जहाँ पे फ्लड्स हो गए ना, वहां पे बहुत सारी बीमारियां फैलती है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द डिजीजेस आर स्प्रेड आफ्टर द फ्लड लाइक सिचुएशन. ओके then in this flood like situation you can see many of the things are washed away from one another. Then the nutrients of the soil is lost by the soil erosion, and the plants standing, they are also sleeping due to the heavy rainfall, or we can say they are affected, they cannot stand in the excessive water. Okay, so these are the effects of the floods. Then the storms. What is storms? Storms means what? where there is high or low pressure in atmospheric weather, that time it causes storms. तो जो storms होते हैं ना, हवा जो तेजी से बहती है, that is called as a air pressure. So air जो है उसके ऊपर pressure pressure may be high or may be low. When it is high, the wind takes the formation of storms, and in the storm formation you can see that there is a lot of damage in the situation. Okay, there is tremendous loss to the the supply is stopped. Then there is distance in the transport and communications. Okay. Okay, when the storms are increased, soil also. So valuable soil along with the storms, they may flow away with the air.